Your breakfast is served. One sunny side up, just the way you like it.
Perfect, thank you. It smells amazing.
The current output levels are stable, but we should monitor the synchronization on line 3.
Check the tolerances on the left hip assembly.
Looks good. All green on my side.
Articulation is perfect.
Joint integrity stable across all metrics.
Look at the synchronization on the metacarpals.
Wow.
It's exceeding the parameters we set for the first iteration.
My articulation systems are fully operational. I am ready for the next phase of testing. Initiating speech pattern sequence. Analyzing vocal articulation and emotional inflection parameters.
Mobility looks excellent on the figure-8 pattern.
Joint stability is holding at 98% efficiency.
Voice signature clear. Repeat sequence Alpha, Delta, 7. Echo check.
This is a voice adjustment test. I can speak in many different tones. I am so happy right now, but sometimes I am sad.
I am designed to process and respond with complete naturalness.
Fascinating. And do you experience emotions during this exchange?
I can start with a whisper, then speak normally. Now I am happy and excited. And now I am sad. Sad.
All systems are nominal. The multitasking protocols are stable, allowing for precise object manipulation concurrent with sustained dialogue and navigation.
As you can see, we offer a comprehensive range of eye colors and extensive hair samples, from platinum to auburn.
Okay, manifest checked out. Let's start loading.
Copy that. Watch the clearance on the left.
Notice the seamless integration and precision grip as she handles even the most delicate objects. This is the future of human-robot collaboration.
Available parlors. We're really impressed with the latest update. Thank you. The responsiveness is much smoother. I've processed the new parameters and the...
As you can see, their movements are completely seamless.
This is absolutely stunning work.
We are designed for seamless integration into your life.
As you can see, the movements are completely organic and fluid.
Truly remarkable. The precision is astonishing. We are very impressed.